Hey Live Leak, we're down on Myrtle Beach. It's about 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. Curfew just lifted about an hour ago. We're down by the Springmaid Pier, one of the longer piers in Myrtle Beach. It's gone. You can see it all the way out here. That used to be the end of the pier. The whole thing's gone. Those first stilts at the beginning of the pier there, where it used to be, that was like a whole restaurant and bait and tackle shop, and it's just gone. So that's our first look driving around this morning.